This program demonstrates appending one string after the other inside the buffer. In We are adding each string piece by piece, and then each time we add it, it just gets added to the end of the buffer of each time. Okay, so this is the result right here. Just put the string one after the other, and that's it. Okay, it's the string data. We create the string just as before, and for each, and we have two counters, I and j. I is the counter inside the string that we are adding, this string right here, and j is the counter inside the main string. We're using j instead of string length because it just keeps things cleaner. We could just string length here and it would make any difference, but I just like to keep it clean. Okay, we take j, and while the character inside the string you're adding is not 0 and the j is not greater than string size, add the character from the string you're adding to the position in j, to the end of the string, and then increment j. And also add a null character at the end of it. Because the null character is always outside the string, that's why we allocate one more. So we have a space for null character and just increment. When we are done, we save the string length in J to know where to start the next time we append a string. So we distort the string here, and then we have the string. We are breaking the string into multiple pieces just to demonstrate appending the string. We are breaking this string into multiple pieces to demonstrate the new line character here, just to break up the line, so it makes it easier to read. So in a loop, in a loop for 1 to 100, we append 8 strings into the buffer 100 times. But the buffer is only 4096 bytes long, so there's no way it can handle this many strings. So it's going to reach the end at some point. That's why J is less than string size. So at some point, just going to reach the end of the maximum size of the buffer and just stop. That's what happens right at the end right here. Uh, Here it will just when it reaches the end of the buffer, it just stops. It can't add 100 strings, so it just stops and nothing happens. This is just to be safe, because later we're going to be appending a lot of other things, and just to make sure that we don't go over, we put append here just to check everything. And at the end, we just print it, and that's the result. There are not 100 times here, but if we need to append anything else, it's safe and it will not go over. So append string.